Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. We'll start with the fundamentals. Moving Link is simple with the control stick, allowing you to explore Hyrule. Z-targeting is crucial for combat, locking onto foes, and ensuring your attacks connect. Practice your sword and shield techniques to become a formidable hero. Don't forget to use the camera to spot hidden pathways and treasures. Next, let's dive into some essential items and Link's unique transformation. The hero's bow is invaluable for hitting distant targets and activating switches. The Gale Boomerang is perfect for grabbing items out of reach or stunning groups of enemies. When you transform into Wolf Link, you gain new senses and Midna's powerful abilities, opening up entirely new ways to explore and solve challenges. Now, let's talk about combat and the importance of thorough exploration. Every enemy has a weakness. Learning these patterns will make battles much easier. Collecting rupees allows you to buy useful gear and potions. Always keep an eye out for heart pieces. Gathering 4 of them grants you an extra heart container, significantly boosting your survivability. Exploration often reveals hidden paths and rewarding side quests. Finally, let's discuss dungeon progression and puzzle solving. Each dungeon is a self-contained challenge, often requiring you to find a new item to unlock further areas. Puzzles are central to the experience, demanding clever use of your inventory and environment. Defeating minibosses usually rewards you with a crucial new item. Ultimately, conquering the main boss restores light to the region and moves the epic story forward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.